Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the griddle. Make sure it's clean, dry, and has an even layer of seasoning. Once done, place it on medium heat and warm for about 5 to 10 minutes so the whole surface evens out. This prevents hot spots. Now add a thin coat of oil with a high smoke point, such as avocado or refined peanut. Make sure you wipe off excess. Finally, pat your food dry and oil it lightly so it sears instead of steaming when it hits the griddle. Once the griddle is properly oiled and hot, place food with room between pieces so air circulates. Crowding drops temperature and causes steaming. Maintain medium-high for meats to build a crust and slightly lower for delicate foods like eggs and vegetables. Make sure to let a good sear form before flipping. This is why you flip sparingly. If smoke or flare-ups appear, reduce heat briefly and move items to a cooler zone. Adjust flame or burner to stabilize temperature for consistent results. You finish by removing food and letting meats rest for 3 to 5 minutes so juices redistribute while you address the griddle. Once slightly cooled but still warm, scrape residue with a metal scraper. Rinse with hot water if needed, then dry thoroughly and apply a thin oil coat to protect seasoning. If food stuck or you see rust, heat the griddle, scrub rust with steel wool, and re-season with a thin layer of oil baked in. This restores the nonstick surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.